Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to watch Telegram videos without downloading them. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're gonna do here, you're gonna click on your avatar icon at the top right. Just go ahead to your Telegram right here and double check if the app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next steps. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up that Telegram app, and as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now if I wanted to watch a video on Telegram without needing to download it, just go ahead right here. I'm gonna just go ahead and swipe up. Let me just look for a video. You're gonna see it right here appearing to you. You will need first of all to download it on the Telegram data, right? So you will need to download on Telegram data, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and play the video, right? And basically after playing the video and after the video being downloaded on your Telegram data, you'll be able to play this video without without downloading it. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.